I'm Greg Lissy, Director for Channel and Online Services Strategy in Microsoft's U.S. SMB division. Microsoft has one of the strongest and most dynamic partner ecosystems in the industry today. 96% of our revenue comes from partners. Partners are our sales force, and that's not going to change. Through this great partner ecosystem, Microsoft also serves millions of small and medium-sized businesses in the U.S. and Canada. We help them to start, to grow and thrive by providing a broad spectrum of industry-leading software solutions. Small and medium-sized businesses are entering a technology revolution with the advent of cloud computing. And we at Microsoft are making a huge-sized bet on the cloud. First of all, Microsoft spends about $9 billion every year on research and development. Right now, more than 75% of that investment is spent on cloud-based solutions, and that's moving up to 90%. In addition, Microsoft has been delivering cloud solutions for years. For the last 15 years, Microsoft has been driving some of the largest cloud-based services. This includes Xbox Live with over 23 million customers, and also Hotmail with almost 400 million users. We understand how to meet the demands of small and medium-sized businesses for simplicity and impact with enterprise-grade capabilities, also providing flexibility and affordability in a user environment that's familiar. We are working very hard to make sure that our partners are right there with us to take advantage of this opportunity. We're doing everything we can to provide our partners, including managed service providers, with opportunities to take advantage of the cloud. I'm pleased to be joined today by Arnie Mondlach, Director of the U.S. Partner Programs team. Welcome, Arnie.
Thank you, Greg.
So, Arnie, we've been doing a lot of research into partners who are driving cloud solutions, and we've been thinking about partner profitability. One of the things that we're seeing as a trend is that those partners who are driving cloud solutions and attaching migration services and also managed services are finding the most profitability in delivering cloud solutions. Are these trends similar to what you're seeing from your perspective?
Well, you know, Greg, it does remind me a little bit of several years ago when partners were making the transformation to managed services.
Right.
There's a lot of parallels there, and you know, Microsoft partnered early on with Level Platforms and others in an effort to educate partners and help them transform their business into a managed services model. I think we're seeing very similar kind of movement today. And those partners that did embrace the managed services opportunity early on, that learned the nuances of the business and figured out how to make that transformation, are the ones that were the most profitable, kind of the leading edge, and are the most successful MSPs today. I think the same is true of the cloud movement. Partners that embrace the opportunity, look for opportunities in the cloud, are the ones that will be the most profitable and can figure it out and carve their niche out in the new world order.
Sure. And so, given that, what are some of the things that we're doing, that Microsoft is doing, to support partners be successful and profitable with driving cloud solutions?
Well, there's a number of things. First and foremost, we recognize that partners, this is a major change for partners in their business models.
Absolutely.
And so we have developed a web part series called the Business Model Transformation. A lot of our training is product focused. This is actually focused on the business decision maker within a company and encourages them to think about and plan how they are going to make the transition to more of a cloud-based practice. It's a great series. We've gotten great reviews from it, and I would highly encourage partners to take advantage of that. In addition, we've got a number of programs that will really encourage partners to learn about the cloud. First and foremost, by using our stuff, our cloud-based solutions. So first, at no cost, is a program that we call Cloud Essentials.
Okay.
It encourages partners to use and deploy our cloud-based solutions internally at their location.
Right.
Once they've embraced the cloud and understand the opportunity, a higher level program is called Cloud Accelerate.
Sure.
Cloud Accelerate extends what we offered in Essentials and really rewards partners that are pursuing those opportunities. Both of those programs are great, and I would encourage partners to partake in them. And then I know, Greg, your group has developed even another layer above that called Cloud Champions. Why don't you tell them a little bit about Cloud Champions?
Sure, I'd be glad to. Yeah, the Cloud Champions Club, we just launched that, as you know, in September. And since then, we've grown the Cloud Champions Club to 150 partners in the United States. And those partners that are in the Cloud Champions Club enjoy support from a dedicated online services business development manager. And as they progress through the club and the tiers of the club, they're also eligible for financial incentives, such as additional marketing dollars and additional incentives. And so it's been something that's very successful, and we're really excited about it.
That's great.
So Arnie, we've talked a lot about programs, readiness, and initiatives that we are driving to help support partners in the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
From a product portfolio perspective, what are some of the things that Microsoft is doing to help facilitate the managed services provider business model?
I think probably the best example that we have right now is the SBS Essentials 2011. That product is a great hybrid of both on-premise and cloud, and will help small business customers move to the cloud. And yet it includes a great API that has been taken full advantage of by Level Platforms and included in their remote monitoring and management solution. That product is going to be a gangbuster for us. In addition to that, even in our cloud, some of our cloud offerings like Intune, we've included a feature called Multi-Account Administrative Counsel that enables MSPs to monitor and manage a wide variety of customer accounts within a single pane of glass.
Right.
For Microsoft Online, there's a number of things we're doing more from a marketing standpoint, like, for example, enabling partners to add a deep link to their marketing materials that when a customer clicks on that, right, the partner is automatically listed as the partner of record when the customer either orders a trial or production of BPOS. Second, we offer a sales dashboard that enables partners to monitor all of their current sales installations as well as trials that are ongoing with BPOS. And then finally, if a partner is a member of the Cloud Accelerate program that we mentioned earlier, they are one of the benefits of that program is that they are able to administer a customer's environment on their behalf with any of the Microsoft Online offerings.
That's great. Thanks, Arnie. Appreciate
Sure.
your time today. There are 3 calls to action that I'd like to leave you with today. First, visit MicrosoftCloudPartner.com to learn about our cloud partner programs. Second, engage with the 5-part web series for business model transformation that we discussed earlier during our talk. Third, sell your first 3 deals of BPOS, 75 seats in total, and become eligible for entry into the Cloud Champions Club and enjoy those benefits. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great day.